Today I'm talking about this Ganiza tabletop blender. I've got another blender similar to this that I use all the time, so I was really happy to see this. This one comes with several cups, as you see. It comes with the lids, with the pop tops, and then it comes with these rings that guard the threads, so when you're drinking it, you don't get the threads in there. What I really like about it, it's got these suction cups, so when you set it down on the counter, this is wood, it sticks. And then the blades look really good, and it's not too loud either. Set it down, push it down, twist it to the right, and you got to hold it. And what I found using these kind of blenders, sometimes if they're full, you have to So let's get some frozen strawberries and see how that turns out. I'm going to make some frozen strawberries with cream to go on to cheesecake tomorrow. And it's really, I want to see how tough this thing is. So I'm going to put in 5, 7 totally frozen, hard as a rock strawberries. So what if this doesn't work? If it doesn't work, I'll let it sit until they thaw just a little bit. But I think it's going to work. It's a little thick. I need some more cream in there. You see it? We got them all. Well, you can't see that so well in the camera, but that is almost like ice cream. So all I did was put cream and frozen strawberries in there, and it's almost syrupy as it tastes. Oh yeah, a little sugar maybe. So my first impression and first use of this is pretty positive. I like it. I think you will too. Thank you for watching.